another day in the beautiful Hawaii. Like I said last night, we were thinking about hiking Diamond Crater at sunrise, but we weren't up for waking up that early. But we're here. It's like 1 o'clock, and we're gonna hike all the way up there. I don't know. I think it was like 700 feet or something like that. But then you get the whole view of Honolulu and Waikiki Beach. So I don't know. I think it takes like an hour to get up there, but we'll see. It's another strenuous hike. We stepped inside the tunnel on the way up. We stepped inside the tunnel. Oh yeah, there's a rainbow right there. Because it's raining again. It rains like every 40 minutes here. Well, let's see where this tunnel takes us. This is pretty cool though. Little tunnel, and then we're basically inside of a cliff. And it's hot out there. Good thing it's raining. Gets a little refreshing out there.
Easy or hard?
Easy or hard? Guys, this view, we just made it all the way to the top. This view is amazing. Look at this. So guys, which view is better? Our hike yesterday, which was or this view. I think this view is kind of a little bit better. Alright guys, I think we're going to head down now and go to Waikiki Beach, which is right there. We just got to Waikiki Beach, one of the best beaches on the island. I'm about to jump in. Let's go. So guys, we just went swimming at the beach. We watched the sunset go down. Very nice, but too bad it wasn't over there where we could see all the buildings and the mountains and the clouds and everything. But it was still nice. The water was really warm. But now we're just walking back to the car. We're on, what's the street called? It's like all the stores. It's like the strip with all the stores and restaurants. And then the beach is right here. So it's, I don't know. Oh wait, here it is. It's Kalakaua. I can't read that. Now we're walking back to the car. probably gonna call it a night. We gotta leave tomorrow, so was our last full day. We got our flight is at 12 tomorrow, and then we got a 6-hour flight to San Diego. So I'll probably just end it here. With that being said, please guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next vlog. This is the life of Mike.